In this video, I will show you how to transfer funds from your PayPal account to a debit card. So let's jump straight into it. First, what you're going to want to do is, of course, come across to paypal.com and log in to your account. Once you've logged in, you'll be taken to your dashboard. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is actually link your debit card to your PayPal account if you haven't done so already. So to do this, what you want to do is come up to these options at the top of the page and click onto Pay and Get Paid. And then underneath the wallet section, you're going to see bank accounts and cards. So what you want to do is click onto this. And from here, you're going to want to come down to the card section and click onto this option to link a new debit card. Now, what you want to do is just go ahead and enter your card's details. So you just want to select your card type and enter the card number, expiry date and security code, and then go ahead and press the blue link card button underneath. So once that's done, what you're going to want to do is come back to the PayPal home screen, and from here, now I've currently got no funds in my account, but what will happen if you've got funds available, you will see an option underneath to transfer money. So it's going to say like transfer funds. So once you've linked your card, all you want to do is click onto transfer funds or withdraw funds, and it's going to ask you where you would like to withdraw those funds to. So any cards that you have linked or bank accounts, you can choose from your list. So of course, what you would do is select the bank debit cards that you've just linked, and you will be able to transfer funds directly to that debit card. It will also give you details of any fees that might be incurred, and it will also give you a rough time of when the funds should arrive into your debit card account. So I hope this tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you would consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.